Well, my goodness gracious, it's oh, 5:30 in the morning, and I'm out in the garage, which is one of the nice things about working out of your house. You can come out in the garage anytime you want, even in your pajamas, as I am, because I woke up at 2 o'clock in the morning with an epiphany that said, Frank, you're concentrating on the wrong thing. First of all, I was concentrating on the fact that this thing was so tough, I couldn't get it to move at all. But I do now because I had an epiphany. Okay. And second, I was concentrating on the fact that it was frozen. And I was also concentrating on the fact that I couldn't get this bolt out to release the lower leg. Well, 2 o'clock in the morning, I realized that with the leg completely out of the bike, with the cap off and the cap disconnected from the threaded rod, there's really nothing holding this lower leg onto the fork. It's not this bolt. This bolt holds the inside part into this. Think about that, because this bolt doesn't hold this leg onto this fork. It holds the inner hydraulic shock absorber into this fork, into this leg. And if you've got it disconnected at the top, you can take this off. The whole unit's going to come with it. So I came out here and I took some good old CRC, stuff I love, and I shot it into the drain hole. And I basically filled it up. And then I started working the leg like, and I felt it break free. And right now it's free. I haven't taken it off yet. So then I dumped that out, got a nice splurge of basically horrible stuff out of it. And then I put some, filled it up, put some, a WD-40 in it. And broke it pretty much free. And then I just took a piece of wood, put it here to cushion the aluminum, gave it a love tap, 2 or 3, with my 3-pound sledge. And sure enough, the leg popped off. And here's the oil seal. The bushings are still in there. And as soon as I get this a little bit looser, well, I don't even need to. There we go. There's the bushings. Here's the, oh my goodness, look at the rust. Here's the hydraulic shock absorber. And now I can try to get this out of here by trying to figure a way to take that bolt out of the bottom by jamming something down inside of it to hold the hydraulic unit in place while I unscrew the bolt. I'm not going to do that now. Like I say, it's 5 o'clock in the morning. Heck, I'm still in my PJs. So anyway, it's not as bad as I was making it. Frankly, I got fixated. In the Air Force, we would call that target fixation, where you pay so much attention to the target that you fly into a mountain. So, no, I wasn't a pilot, by the way. I was a radar technician maintaining radar on fighter planes. But anyway, this is just a mess. I'll replace these. I will replace this on both legs. And I should be able to get this out of here because I have to, because I don't trust this bolt anymore because it turns. And if it turns, that means it'll leak. So I have to get that out. That'll be the next project. But I'm tied up today, so I'm not going to do it today. Anyway, progress has been made with a 2 a.m. epiphany which, believe it or not, happens more often than you would expect. And that is all. Things are better.